Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brigy. Today we are talking about retouching your texturizer the right way. If you've been noticing new growth coming in and you're wondering when and how to reapply texturizer without damaging your hair, this video is for you. Please hold on, don't go. I'm going to guide you step by step so that you can keep your hair healthy, beautiful, and easy to manage. So first, let's talk about what a texturizer retouch is. A texturizer retouch means applying the product only to the new hair growth and not to the already texturized parts of your hair. This helps keep your hair's texture even and avoiding over processing and risking breakage. Yeah, so it's important to concentrate on the new hair growth. So later in this video, I'll also tell you exactly when is the right time to do a retouch, and also I'll give you some easy tips to protect your hair during the process. So stay tuned. Alright, now that you know what a texturizer retouch is and why it's important, let's jump right into the steps you need to follow to do it safely and get the best results. You know, this is my favorite product. S-Curl regular texturizer. I love this product because it gives me time to apply without over processing or risking any breakage. It comes in with this button, and also it comes in with this. This is a Neutralizing Shampoo, curl moisturizer, and gel activator, and it also comes in with oil moisturizer. Yeah, I love it. Let's get started. So step number one, you need to access your new growth before applying this product. Typically, you will see enough new growth around 8 to 12 weeks after your last texturizer. Step number two, prepare your hair and scalp. Avoid washing your hair at least 2 to 3 days before the texturizer to avoid scalp irritation. Hence, you need to apply a protective base. Can be any of your favorite petroleum jelly that you have to protect your hairlines. Here's a scarf to shield the sensitive areas, and I'm going to apply this on my hairlines. Don't forget on your hairs. Step number three, section your hair. You should divide your hair into 4 or 6 manageable sections so that the application is even and controlled. And before applying the product, don't forget to wear your gloves. This is important to protect your hands. Now, let's get started. Yeah. This is how it is. So, the deal here is to loosen the new growth. And I'm going to apply only on the new growth. And you should be careful, guys. And you trim that. Hope you can see only on the new growth, not on the scalp, guys. Hope you've seen. I will apply the rest and I'll be back. Sorry, I forgot to show you now. It's 12:24 and I'm going to do this for 20 minutes because I want my hair to have loose curls. Always process your hair for the recommended time, usually 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes, depending on the texture of your new growth or the results that you want. To avoid over processing or damage, follow the instruction. As you can see, I'm finger distinctly mixing hair with the already texturized one because now it's remaining 2 to 3 minutes. So I can mix the texturizer with the already texturized hair. And now you can use a toothbrush comb I just comb a little bit. Always monitor your hair health. If you notice breakage, dryness, or sensitivity, it's better to delay reapplication and focus on moisturizing and strengthening your hair first. Please never texturize too often or too soon, as it can cause thinning and serious damage. Please, if you want to support this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. I know many of you are asking, how long should you wait before texturizer application? Well, it's best to wait at least 8 to 12 weeks. Yeah, time is over. I'm going to rinse it out using warm water. I've rinsed out my hair and now I'm going to apply this neutralizing shampoo immediately so that it stops and processing of the texturizer. Yeah, and I'm going to wash until I see the lather is white. If the lather is pink, it indicates that the traces of the texturizer are still on the hair, so you need to wash until the lather is white. I'm going to let it to sit for 1 to 2 minutes so that it stops completely the processing of the neutralizer, and then I will continue to massage. This, you see, is pink. Hope you can see. So I'm going to rinse it out. Let's apply it for the second time. We want to make sure that the lather is white. It's a little bit pink. Yeah, let's do it for the third time. Yeah, we need to make sure the traces are white. Please don't rush this step, it's crucial. Make sure you wash your hair until the lather is white. Now I can say the lather is white, as you can see. Yeah, and now I can rinse it out. Yeah, I'm done rinsing out now, and I'm going to follow up with deep conditioning treatment, and this is my favorite deep conditioner, Mega Crot, to restore moisture, elasticity, and strength to my hair. It smells so good. And I'm going to apply from the roots. Then I'm going to leave it out to sit down for 10 minutes. Don't rinse out quickly, please. Then I will go in with 2-thread comb and make sure it doesn't have any traces of texturizer, and comb it through to distribute evenly the deep conditioner. Yeah, I'm going to let it sit down for 10 minutes and then I'll be back, guys. Yeah, 10 minutes is over and I'm going to rinse it out. Look at that. Yeah, I have done rinsing out now, and if you've been here, you know that we said you use a microfiber towel or an hot t-shirt to dry your hair because they are less abrasive. I'm going to go in with my favorite leave-in treatment, that is Micale with castor oil and shea butter plus menthol. Then I'm going to go in with 2-thread comb and comb the leave-in treatment through to make sure it's evenly distributed. And next I'll go in with Curl Carefree called Instant Activator. This is my favorite kind. And it's watery, as you can see. And then I'm going to apply. Then I'm going to spray in with Comeback Cut Next Day Cut Vitalizer, and then scrunch your hair. Don't skip this step because scrunching your hair is what defines your curls, guys. Look at that, look at that. Then I will lock in everything with a little bit of gel activator. Yeah, just on the strands. Yeah, I'm done now, guys, and this is the result. Look at this super defined curls. Look at that. Yeah, what do you think, guys? Comment below. Thank you for watching, thank you for sticking around till the end. And if you have learned something new or if you have liked this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment below and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye.